Hi friends, today we are come with another designer blouse pattern for blouse bag. As per the sketch, we are going to stitch this blouse. For that, we are going to cut this fabric, main fabric with the lining firmer. How to cut back, you can see in our previous videos. Here we are taking directly lining to cut the main fabric, so video will not get long and boring. I hope you enjoy our videos and it will be helpful for you as a tutorials. This is round neck. You can see cutting of the back neck is done as per the sketch. Now we'll proceed for stitching this blouse as per the sketch. Now we'll see how to make this potali button to attach this blouse. We kept bead inside the fabric and threading it properly like this. This is your potali button. Now you have to cut extra fabric. As per this, you can make all buttons which you require for your blouse, and this stripe is ready to attach the neckline or back neck. Now we are attaching these potali buttons to the neckline with the gap of 1 inch. You can also do the marking if you feel you can't do this directly. Now we have attached all potali buttons on the right side of the blouse. Now we'll attach this stripe of neckline and turn it inside so that it will look finished from both the sides. Let's see the process of it. You can see we kept the stripe over the potali buttons on the right side of the blouse and attaching it. Slowly you can push forward. You can see this potalis. This potali button is attached. Now we'll turn the stripe inside for hemming. We'll do the hemming with hand. One more stitch line is adding on the edge of the stripe so that the stripe will go inside smoothly. Now you can see this blouse neckline is complete. You can make this way totally button and neckline as per your wish. the blouse or dress. If you like this video, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friends and wait for our next video. Thank you.